So now let's see how we can work around with threshold and colorize option inside of GIMP. So first of all, in order to apply the threshold option, you need to go around onto the colors menu right here, and then you need to go around onto threshold. So once you go around over here, you can see that apply threshold opens up, where you can go around and change around the level of black and white, as you can see right here. So you get either totally black or totally white, as you can see right here. So this is what you have. You can go around and decrease it out and increase it out according to the detail that you want right here. So it's either totally black or white, and it's made up of dots, as you can see right here. So right now the channel that is of value, but you can go for the red channel, as you can see right here, so that it takes out the information from the red channel. You can also go for green channel, as you can see right here, just like this, or you can go around from the blue channel right here, just like this as well. So whatever channel you want, you can go around. You can go around with the luminance as well, just like this, and get the channel out from luminance, and also from RGB channel, as you can see right here. So this is what you have. You can also work around with the blending mode right here, just like this. So you can go around and screen it out right here, just like this, or you can go around and let's say, for example, multiply it out right here, and so forth right here, just like this as well. So that is what you have. So let me just go around for normal right here, just like this, and then you can also see the before and after right here, and work around with the split view right here, just like this as well. Let me just go around and press OK, and it gets applied right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here. So let's just go around, press Ctrl Z, or maybe I'll just go around and undo the threshold right here. Then I can go around over here onto colors, and then you can see that colorize is an option as well. So apart from this, you can go around and work around with hue, as you can see right here. You can change around the saturation and the lightness as well as you want. And you can also go around and choose a color sample right here, just like this. So you can go around over here, and then choose around the color that you want to apply right here, just like this, and then work around with the opacity and so forth, and colorize out your picture as well. So that is simply how you can work around with threshold and colorize option inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.